Hey tribe, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my wonderful face on your screen, hi, my name is Tundi and welcome. Please make sure that you hit the subscribe button down below so that you join the tribe. So anytime something amazing happens in my life, I make it a point that I reach out to my close family and friends to just, share the good news. And something really amazing happened. Now, if you know anything about me, I love something that causes me to have like a think peace type of vibe. And so I sent a message to my uncle just letting him know that, I've moved into my own space with my daughter. And he asked me a very important question. To me, it was how he phrased it. People have just been asking me, so how's it been living alone? It wasn't until my uncle asked me this question that I finally got the moment to just take it all in and to reflect on, wow, I've been surrounded by people all my life. I'm literally 30 and this is my first time living alone. What does that actually really mean to me? What am I going through right now?
It is really cold, Valentine's Day. So let's go make something nice, hearty and warm. I'm gonna go to the store, pick up the ingredients, and then we're gonna head home and cook something fun. To create some aesthetically pleasing snow content. Oh, my mom, she can't see us. Oh, I think she's lost. Which one's the cleaner looking snow? Because I don't want to just touch any snow, because when it starts to like melt a little bit. One more for the culture. I need to put this thing because I forgot it at my parents' house. Oh, that's actually pretty. Let's see this other side. I don't want to break my nails. On either side. And I guess it's giving the table more stability, really and truly. Hey y'all, so I'm back home. Did my nails. They look so pretty, so stunning. Focus, honey. There we go. They look so good. I love them. I don't know, these days I've been so out of breath. I don't know what that means. Maybe it's because it's so cold and my lungs are just like, what's going on? Or I need to go back and be active in the gym. I fell ill over the winter break and I just never got back into the gym. I've been watching my diet. I've cut down on my sugar. I don't eat as much sugar as I used to. Intermittent fasting has also been very helpful. I feel great. I look good. And that's it. Anyway, let me take off my jewelry in my hands because I'm gonna need to use my hands to season the food. And yeah, let's go do that. Karen, I definitely suspect that those are the 2 bedside tables that I ordered. So I just went ahead and I moved them straight to my room. And the 3rd package. Yeah. Finally, we have a microwave. Yeah. We are so happy and ecstatic. Wow. Why is this in my package? I didn't order this. But anyway, something for my daughter to play with. I'll definitely need to put them somewhere up above so she doesn't take and draw on the walls or something. Color. See? Color here. Good job, my angel. Well done. Oh, thank God they're washable. So even if she writes on the walls, I guess I can just clean it off. Doing my nails today was not possibly the best decision because now opening this, I'm scared I might actually hurt myself. And y'all, a broken nail hurts at long last. Yo, mainstays. Shout out to whoever decided to put these washable paints in my package. because it's actually really keeping my daughter busy. I'm gonna keep trying to assemble those, but I feel like the measurements are a little bit off. If it keeps being a problem, I might have to return, unfortunately, which is very sad because I was really looking forward to having these. So let's unbox the second item. I'm feeling a little overstimulated trying to assemble those, just throwing around the loop. Let's unbox the microwave instead, because I'm genuinely excited about this. I don't like feeling the pressure. That's the only reason why, honestly, I did not go to culinary school, because I genuinely love cooking. And I know the pressure from working in the hospitality industry, the pressure of working in food and beverage, especially on the kitchen side. No, I can never do that to myself. Now I'm just gonna do it for my loved ones. Unboxing period. All I wanna do is gas me. Do you hear the birds outside? Birds, yeah. Please may not drop this, Lord. I think let me set it on the floor. And which corner do I want it? Here or there? Ah, it's so pretty. Thank you, honey. You're so helpful. I love you. How we end up in the backseat, just trying to get to the bag. Read before use. Okay. Got the manual inside. We on the same page, you the same way. Only keep the fam around me, so let me know what it's gonna be. I figured out how to fix the clock. So I just press clock. No, not 24-hour military time. No, thank you. Not 6:15. I don't plan on getting no sleep while we doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. We up till 6 in the morning. When the sunrise, we'll be on it. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Oh, hey, hey, baby, when we gon' slide, slide, slide. I don't care if we on a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at it, it's perfect, so good. On a run, nothing matters when we one-on-one. Looking at us cause we going dumb. We on the same wave, you the same way. You know I'll be down if it's with you. Where we going, baby, what's the move? We should take a trip up to the moon. Get a room, doing nothing. Taste test. Doing nothing, moving too fast. Candy paint with the windows all black, seats creme brulee. What they gon' say? With the top down, screaming money, anything. And we up till 6 in the morning. When it's so finally done putting these together. This is what they look like. 2 side tables. And I also want to put more art above the headboard. I'm currently making some oats for breakfast because I just woke up craving them. I want to make an oats bowl. Oh, I got 5, you know it's so live. Tell me when to go, baby, when we gon' slide, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Hey, up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. Up all night, baby, when we gon' slide. I got this from our dollar store. Why is it not focusing? Got the spray from our local Dollar Tree, and so I'm going to use it on my sheets. Ugh. I don't know. I feel like I am coming down with a cold because I've been having nasal congestion since that day. Like 2 days ago, we had an event at work and it was really, really cold. It was the day after the snowstorm. So, yeah. The nasal condition is just doing too much. I like to make the bed first thing in the morning because this just gives my brain that signal that, hey, we have started our day now, you know? I am gonna go take an everything shower. I got a gift, like a Victoria's Secret gift set. I love those because they smell so wonderful. And so I got the, let me just do an unboxing with y'all quickly right now. I got it smells very luxe, very rich, very expensive. I'm a fiend for candles, baby. I love me a good candle, especially when I'm showering or doing my morning or nighttime routine. I absolutely love just turning on the candles. So pretty. Love this gift set. So I'm gonna go and take my everything shower this morning. Scrub, shave, exfoliate, moisturize, period. Because hot girls take everything showers, okay? Another thing that we need to do today is to take out these braids because I want to go get cornrows. I recently got a wig. TikTok shop is my fighter for real because I got this wig from Medulla Hair. I'm sure you can find them on Amazon as well, but I purchased this through the TikTok shop. Love it. It's so soft, does not have that weird smell, and barely sheds. All hair sheds, but I like that this one barely sheds, you know. And I love the color number 30. Y'all know that's my color on braids. Gonna make some lunch now, some fettuccine. My god, these are so good. Oh, so good. Some pasta. This is way too much, but it's okay. We can have more for later. So for dinner, I was thinking we have last night's leftovers like we're having now. Then I'm just gonna add the final. We had salmon from another time that was still frozen, so I'll add the salmon to the Cajun surf and turf, and we still have rice, baked potato, and we still have all the salad. So I'm probably gonna do this for dinners. Thank you, baby. Yeah, super excited. I'm so hungry. I'll probably make some hot chocolate because I need a hot drink. This flu is one of those painful ones that are sore in like the nasal congestion and the throat, so no bueno. Try braid my own hair this time around. I'm thinking maybe some cornrows, but once you've done your nails it's kind of difficult, but you know what, it's doable. I'm brilliant at doing cornrows on other people, but when it comes to me, I don't know, keeping my hands up for that long, it's just so stressful. But this time I gotta save money and shit, so it is what it is. I am done with the front bit of my head. I'm just gonna quickly tie that up real quick and then continue with the back. The back is where the drama is because these are all singles. This is so cute. I like this. Your phone fell. It looks adorable. Thumbnail. My shape. What shape is this? Is this diamond or strawberry shape? I've got the dishwasher running already, but this is my dinner. I've got a salad, the rice, leftovers still, and cocoa.